Jan Tinbergen was born in The Hague on April 12, 1903. He was educated at the University of Leiden, where he earned a doctoral degree in physics. In 1929, he joined the staff of the Central Bureau of Statistics, the economic planning unit of the Dutch government, where he remained until 1945, except for 1936 to 1938. He became director of the Central Planning Bureau of the Dutch government, serving from 1945 to 1955. After that time, he became an advisor to various governments and international organizations, showing particular concern for the problems of underdeveloped countries. During his lifetime, Tinbergen received 20 honorary degrees from institutions worldwide. The Tinbergen Institute has been established in Rotterdam in his honor.
Jan Tinbergen is most noted for his contributions to econometrics and macroeconomic modeling. Tinbergen helped develop the theory of underlying econometrics and the use of statistics to test economic theories. An innovator in macroeconometric modeling, Tinbergen developed multi-equation models of national economies that were a precursor to today's computer-driven economic forecasts. He produced the first comprehensive macroeconometric models, originally for the Netherlands and then for the United Kingdom and then the United States. His macroeconometric models focused on business cycles and economic development. In macroeconomic policy, Tinbergen viewed the goal of macroeconomic policy as maximizing social welfare subject to the constraints of technology, resources, and political feasibility. From his models, he also developed guidelines and recommendations for applying econometrics to policy making. Understanding these types of models can help policymakers aim for economic targets that are related to the policy instruments they control. Throughout his career, Tinbergen was also interested in the issue of income distribution in an economy, and the phrase Tinbergen norm arose from a theory he pursued, in which a larger than 5 to 1 gap between the lowest income and the highest income will lead to serious social conflict.
Nobel Prize Dynamic Models for the Analysis of Economic Process. Sveriges Riksprize in Economic Science in memory of Alfred Nobel 1969 was awarded to a Dutch economist Jan Tinbergen and Norwegian economist Ragnar Frisch share the first Nobel Prize in Economics for having developed and applied dynamic model for the analysis of economic process. Tinbergen was one of the first economists to create multi-equation models of economics. He produced a 27-equation econometrics model of the Dutch economy and his 1939 book, Business Cycle in the United States 1919 to 1939 includes a 48-equation model of the American economy that explains investment activity and model American business cycle. Thank you.
Tinbergen rule refers to a rule of thumb which states that policymakers trying to achieve multiple economic targets need to have control over at least one policy tool for each policy target. This is because the achievement of certain economic targets preclude the achievement of others. For instance, a central bank with a just power to influence the money supply in overall economy can only control either inflation or the exchange rate. It cannot simultaneously ensure low inflation and a decreasing currency because decreasing the money supply to lower inflation will cause currency appreciation.